Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show it to you how to add a voice and also add a back sound to your Google slide. Yeah. First of all, yeah, you can see it in here. Yeah. This is the rules of your back sound. Yeah. You just have to follow it. Now, before you make it the voice recording and also for the back sound, the first thing that you need to prepare a folder in your G drive. Now, how to access your G drive? You open your account and then choose drive. Now, in here, yeah, you're gonna make a new folder. For example, like this. Click new folder. Yeah, you can name it anything. Yeah, you can name it anything, maybe iStory or something like that. It's up to you. Yeah, since I already have a folder, yeah, I don't have to make it again. Look, I already created. Yeah, the name is iStory record. So everything that I record, it will be in here. Now, after that, after you already have the folder, you can open your Google slide. Now, this is your Google slide. Yeah, for example, I'm going to use this one. Now, in here, yeah, I'm going to show you something, how to add the voice and the back sound. Yeah, first, what you need to press insert. Yeah, and you need to choose audio. Now, the problem is, yeah, in my folder, I only have one recording sound, yeah, and I don't have the back sound. So that means what I need to do, I will find the back sound that's free. Yeah, you can see it in here. I already give it to you, the link. Yeah, bandsound.com. Yeah, this one you can use it. Yeah, for example, choose a free music, maybe this one, slow life. Yeah, you can choose free download. Okay, this one no need, yeah, because you didn't need to pay. Just close it. Look, it will download automatically. See, slow life MP3, because the one that I choose is slow life. Yeah, and then also, since I still have to show you how to record a voice, yeah, I will show it to you now. First, you must take a look at your PowerPoint. What did you write? Yeah, that means you need to read it, remember it, and then you will record your voice. In my first slide, I say My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. That means I'm gonna record my voice. Yeah, I'm gonna record my voice. I already give you a certain link. Yeah. In here, nah, online voice recorder. You can click this one. Now you can start to record it. For example, in my presentation, I say My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. I will record myself. My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. Stop. Let us hear My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. Now, you can see it. I think my volume is not that low. My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. See? But in here, there is unnecessary voice. So you can cut it around here, and then cut it as well around here, and then listen it again. By Mr. Dede. My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. See? Now it's much better. You can save it. Yeah. Nah. And then you can go to the folder that you have been download. You can see it in here. I have slow live and I have a record, the one that I record. Now, in case you've forgotten, you need to rename it first. For example, since this one, yeah, it's for slide one, that means you can rename it using slide one name. Yeah. For example, like that. But if you didn't want to rename it, it's okay as well. I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. Yeah, I don't mind at all. But you have to make sure you remember you open it first. Yeah, for example, like this. If I didn't rename it, My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. See, I know this is the record that I need. Okay, after that, after you already have these two files, the back sound and the record sound, go to your G drive. Yeah. Now you can start to upload it. Yeah. To upload it, just drag the file that you need to upload. Yeah, these two. Okay. Just drag it like this. Yeah, upload. Now, see? Now, I get it, my file, in my iStory record folder in Google Drive. Now, it's time for me to put it in my Google Slide. So, what should I do? Yeah, I choose Insert, Audio. First, we're gonna put the back sound, slow live. Yeah, I'm gonna insert it in here. Nah, see, the back sound is already here, but you have to remember, yeah, there is a rules for the back sound. Yeah, I already write it. It's supposed to be around 20%. Yeah, in here for the back sound. Yeah, for the voice 100% it's okay, but for the back sound you must make it to 20%. Why? Because I don't want to see that your back sound is more stronger than your what was that, voice. So you can click this one, change it to 20%. Yeah, like this. Yeah, for example, like this. And don't forget, loop the audio. Yeah, loop the audio. Okay. And then make it automatic. Yeah, and then hide the icon when presenting. Yeah, that means when we present it, the icon of the speaker will be hide. Yeah, looping audio in case the duration of your slide is longer, and then they will stop when the slide change. Now, after that, you can add your voice now. Audio. Now, this is the one that I record. Okay, wait for a moment. Now, see, this is the second one. The sign, if you already uploaded properly to your Google Slide, you will see speaker icon. Now, since this is voice, same, you make it automatic, hide, loop, and stop when the slide change. Yeah, let us check that. My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. 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 Oh, my bad. Now it's looping the voice. For the voice, no need to loop. Yeah, only for the back sound. My bad. If it's not, it will say My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede again and again and again. Yeah, let us check again. My Rainbow Garden by Mr. Dede. See, that's all. After the voice done, just click it until it's finished. Yeah, since this is only one slide, then I still not have the other slide, then it will stop like that. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, remember for the back sound, yeah, it's supposed to be put in the first slide. Yeah, first slide. Okay, and then that's all. Yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you for today, and hopefully this tutorial will help you.